Let's see if we can create our own version of Airbnb. I want to create my own version of Airbnb using Cursor AI. Give me a prompt to give Cursor AI to create a smooth, clean, and functional website. And then here's the secret sauce. We're gonna say, do it as if you're a professional web designer. Let's see what prompt it gives us. So you guys can read this if you want. I'm gonna go ahead and just copy this into Cursor AI. So now that we paste it into Cursor AI, we're gonna see what it gives us. All right, so once it creates everything, you're just gonna ask it to run a development server. And here we go, just like that, it's created something pretty basic, but take a look at that. My properties, bookings, no bookings yet, mock data will appear. Obviously, it doesn't look as good as Airbnb, but it was created in what, 5 minutes. This is another thing we can do is screenshot the actual Airbnb, go in here, give it that screenshot and say, make it look more like this. All right, so now it's made a couple changes. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it's done. So refresh, and look at that. It's thrown in some pictures and stuff, so that's nice. And if we click browse listings, look at that, pretty cool. So it's just created something kind of basic. That's filters and everything. It's pretty cool what this can do for you in a couple minutes. You just have to know what questions to ask it. And then as for things like the back end for how this would work, you'd have to do a little more research and you'd have to go into ChatGPT, ask it step by step the questions to create a secure back end for your website so that this would all work properly. But as for the front end, it looks great. It feels nice. Obviously, you can make this look a little nicer, but for what it is and the amount of time that it took to get here, it's pretty great. Just for fun, let's go in one more time and say, make it look as if a professional web designer created this website. And let's just see what it does. All right, so it made some changes. I mean, hey, that looks a little nicer. I do like that. Look at that right there. Listings. Yep, very nice. I like it. It has some animations there now as well. So as always, if you guys like the video, make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe, all that stuff. Make sure you drop a comment and tell me what you'd like to see in the future, and I'll try to get on that for you guys.